Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and in this lesson we're going to go over bar chart and candlestick basics. So what we're looking at right now is a bar chart. Now I'll zoom in a little bit just so we can see the bar charts better. So you can have them different colors, but here's essentially the, just get rid of this line. Okay, now here's the basics of a bar chart. You've got the open of the bar here, this little nodule to the left. You've got the close of the bar here to the right. You've got the bar low and you've got the bar high. Okay, so every green bar is the same, and in fact every red bar is actually the same as far as the side of the nodules. The left side of the nodule is the open, the right side is the close. So for a downward moving bar, then we're looking, the high is still the high. So on a bar chart, we've got the high, the low, the open, and the close. So the high is still the high, the low is still the low. But in this case, the open is, well, it's still on the left, but the close now is below the open, and that's the only difference. When the close is above the open, the candle or the bar is going to change color to whatever it's set to, and in this case green. And when the close is below the open, then it's going to change color to whatever setting you have set it for, in this case red. So candlesticks are as such, and in the simplest form, it's exactly the same, except instead of having a left and right nodule, we have the open on the buy at the bottom and the close at the end of the or the top of this candlestick. On both sides, you see a wick, and you'll probably have heard references to that. This is the wick, and again we have the low and the high. And on downward candlesticks, we still have the low and the high, but in this case we've got the open when the candlestick was opened, and the close below. So that's all there is to it. If the price closes below the open, then the candlestick is red. If the price closes above the open, then the candlestick is green. So that's pretty much all there is to it. The basics of bar charts and candlesticks. With Trend Profiteer, we use candlesticks. However, they're not really a big part of the system. In other words, you could change it to bar charts, and it would make any difference whatsoever because the indicators are all running independently. The bar charts and the candlesticks are there just to show the value of the price per time period. If it's 1 hour, then per 1 hour. If it's 4 hours, then per 4 hours. And it's always the same: the low, the high, the open, and the close. With that, I'll conclude this lesson. Till next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.